This is the Uke Revolution. I'm Brooke. You're watching a lesson for the jazz standard Crazy He Calls Me. There's a lot of chords, a lot of weird chords. So if you're into that kind of thing, this is the lesson for you. So we'll look at the chord shapes, the chord progression for each part of the song, and I'll give you a couple ideas for strumming. And then I'm going to play the whole thing. There is a song sheet that goes with this song. It's available in the member library. There's information in the caption. There's links for membership program information or how to buy just this single song sheet. Billie Holiday recording that I'm referencing anyway, there might be more than one. She might have recorded this song more than one time. I'm not sure. The one that I'm familiar with is in D flat or C sharp. It's a bit difficult, so I moved it down to C. We're going to play in C today. If you want to play along with the original recording, you can use capo 1 and the chords that we learned. Okay, here's the chord shapes. Don't panic. The nice thing about this and a lot of jazz standards is they're pretty moderate tempo songs. So we're not doing like super fast changes. We're just doing a lot of changes. Okay, let's see chords. I know there's a lot. Let me like do this so you can see my chord hand. Okay, C major 7, G7. I'm trying to look at my hand on the screen and do it. It doesn't work. A minor, G. Nothing too crazy so far. F. Okay, still pretty gentle. E minor 7, D minor 7, C, A7, B flat 7, D7. You could also play the Hawaiian D7 if you want. Okay, now they get a little harder, and there's two more that I have to show you like a typed version of because they don't come in the chord font how I want them. F minor 7. So this is on the 4th fret. You've got the 4th fret E string, 5th fret G and C string, 6th fret A string. E flat major 7, bar the 3rd fret, put one finger on the 5th fret, the A string. C minor 7 is just barring the 3rd fret. G major 7, A minor 7. And then the other two, which are a bit trickier, and I didn't like the chord font shape. F7 flat 5. So this makes like a little weird staircase kind of shape coming down. We've got the 4th fret, the G string, and the 5th fret, the middle 2 strings, and the 6th fret, the A string. So if you can imagine, this is like a little staircase with a really big step in the middle. That's how I remember it. I'm like, the little staircase on the 4th fret. G7 sharp 5 or G7 augmented 5, G7 plus 5. These are all the same thing. 0, 3, 1, 2. So the G string is open. We have pointer finger on the 1st fret, the E string, middle finger, 2nd fret, the A string, ring finger, 3rd fret, the C string. So lots of chords, lots of changes, but we're moving at a pretty moderate pace, which means for strums, we have it pretty simple. Okay, real quick strum stuff. So all these little screenshots are taken directly off of the song sheet. So we're in 4/4. We're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 in for the song, and it's a swing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we have down, up, chunk, up, down, up, chunk, up, down, up, chunk, up, down, up, chunk. Or the island strum. Down, down, up, down, chunk up, chunk up. If I'm playing just a C major 7 chord, down, up, chunk, up, down, up, chunk, up, down, up, chunk, up, down, up, chunk, up. The island strum one, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I put island strum in because it's so familiar, everybody knows it, but it's going to be easier to play just a down strum, down, 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 or this first one, down, up, chunk up, because you almost never have a chord that's a whole round of this island strum pattern. You would have to split this island strum pattern up over 2 chords, so it makes it a little bit trickier. Yeah, so mostly for this song, especially because there's so many changes, like there's so much color in the chords that you don't need to have so much color in the rhythm, if that makes sense. Just strumming down, 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 down is a great way to go because we got a lot of chords. If you're like, I want to know all the chords ever, then the jazz standards are for you. This looks insane. This is me just breaking down this information. Of course, you would not be expected to play this like perfectly unless you're a really advanced player the first time. In between all these forward slashes are 4 beats. Each chord name is a beat. Each hyphen is a beat. So we have in verse 1, and actually, if you see this note here next to verse 2, 3, only the last two bars are different from verse 1. So these are the same until you get to here, the very end, these last two bars. So for the verses, we're playing C major 7 for 2, D minor 7 for 2, E minor 7 for 2, D minor 7 for 2, C major 7 for 2, F7 flat 5. That's the funny staircase on the 4th fret. E minor 7 for 2, A7 for 2. So you can see this top line is exactly the same in verse 2 and 3. The second line, D minor 7 for 2, G7 for 2. Then we have E minor 7 for 1, B flat 7, and A7 for 2. These chords go 1, 2, 3, and the A7 is for 2 beats. Then in verse 1, we have D minor 7 for 2, D7 for 2, G7 for 2, and G7 sharp 5 for 2. In verses 2 and 3, we're going to end them a little bit differently. We have D minor 7 for 2, G7 for 2, and then C major 7 for 4. So this lets the verses resolve. When we get to the end of the verse 1, this ending is leading us back to start the verse again. When we get to the end of verse 2 and 3, it resolves to the key tone. So we've got an unresolved ending that wraps back around. We've got a resolved ending that will let us move on to the bridge or let us end the song. So I'm going to strum down, 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 and play verse 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D minor 7, E minor 7, D minor 7, C, staircase chord, E minor 7, A7. Second line, D minor 7, G7, E, B flat, A7, D minor 7, D7, G7, plus 5. If you're not comfortable with that weird G7 plus 5 shape, you could just play G7 for that whole bar. When I play them together, the G7's here, and then you got to pick up your middle two fingers and switch them around. So your middle finger is going to the A string and your ring finger is going to the C string. Here, 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 here. Okay, the second line, so we can do this different ending on the D minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor 7, G7, E, B flat, A, D minor 7, G7, C major 7. And we have one other part to look at, which is the bridge. So the bridge in this song is the like the wind that shakes the bough. Okay, so the bridge, F minor 7 for 2, B flat 7 for 2, E flat major 7 for 2, C minor 7 for 2, D7 for 4, G major 7 for 4. On the second line, A minor 7 for 2, D7 for 2, G for 2, E minor 7 for 2, D7 for 4, and then we have D minor 7 for 2 and G7 for 2. And then that leads us into verse 3. So the structure of this song is essentially intro, it has a little chord pattern we'll look at in a little bit. Verse 1, verse 2, bridge, verse 3. And then you can take that structure and you can take the verse and the bridge and you can add like solo things if you want, if you're playing with other people, whatever you want to do, like mix it up to make a longer song or repeat the whole song. It's up to you. Okay. With a down strum, the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. E flat major 7, C minor 7, D7, G major 7, A minor 7, D7, G, E minor 7, D7, D minor 7, G7. And we're going to look at the intro real quick. So here's the intro chords at the top. So we have C major 7 G7, A minor, G. These are all for 1. F, E minor, D minor, C, all for 1. D minor 7 for 4, and G7 for 4. If you want to make this E minor and D minor 7s, you can do that. And we're just going to strum down our way through those chords. Let's try it one time before I play the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, G, A, G, F, E, D, C, D, 2, 3, 4, G7. I'm going to play, in the intro, I'll play a down strum for all those chords that move pretty quickly. And then we're going to settle into the rhythm of it. The D minor 7 and G7, I'll play with the island strum. And then I'm probably going to be doing that down, up, chunk, up, down, up, chunk, up strum. But there's no telling what I will subconsciously do. 1, 2, 3, 4. I say I'll move the mountains, and I'll move the mountains if he wants them out of the way. Crazy he calls me, sure I'm crazy, crazy in love, I say. I say I'll go through fire, and I'll go through fire as he wants it, so it will be. Crazy he calls me, sure I'm crazy, crazy in love, you see. Like the wind that shakes about, he moves me with a smile. The difficult I'll do right now. The impossible will take a little while. I say I'll care forever, and I mean forever, if I have to hold up the sky. Crazy he calls me, sure I'm crazy, crazy in love, just so crazy in love, like Beyonce said, crazy in love. Am I? If your chord hand isn't too exhausted from all those chords, you could take a moment to click the like button. You could also share it with somebody who you think might like this lesson. Many thanks to everybody watching, especially the members. Thank you so much, members, for keeping the dream alive. And I will see you guys next time. Happy strumming and stay funky. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.